Next question about Massey-Pair.
So, here's this, both they are Director General of Forestry, with whom I was associated. So, this is a position where we used to have in the forest. So, this is saying that when Ayyappa Swami people, when they go by walk, they will be visiting this place. Next, please. So, actually, my mentor is Professor Roger D. Bruce, who was my PhD as well as the BSc examiner, and he is the person who brought me to international level by publishing all my papers. Means majority more than 50%, 50 papers in Mycotaxon. Next, please. So we had the International Mycologist Association in Pichi, that is Kerala Forest Research Institution. All Professor the stalwarts there from UK. He is canon, he is mentor, he is his associates and all. Next, please. So this is the one which awarded me from that one among the top 10 mycologists in the world, and in that my number is 4. Next, please. All these are awards. Next, please. So these are the monographs. Usually, writing a monograph, one monograph in a life, they will be very happy. So in Nellivires of India, third monograph I completed. Third volume of monograph. So I could started with one small, and it went on like that, and it went to a group that is black malleus. That when we started analyzing, so that was different groups. One malleus, another Cypnerula. The genus Cypnerula itself was a big one, and went on, and at last I could complete end into monograph. That is the genus Cypnerula in India. Then subsequently, I collaborated with Dr. Braun, who is an authority on hyphomycetes as well as powdery mildews. Then when he brought monographs for that, so I brought that one, consulted an account of powdery mildews of Coimbatore. Then subsequently I thought, see, many people do not know what all these species they are known from India, so I bring out by joining Dr. D.K. Agarwal of IRI, I could bring out the checklist of powdery mildews of India. Then another, Ester nails of India I brought. That is another model. Next, please. So of that 20 books, one database, and the 413 research papers of national and international reputation. Then I operated 16 projects, both of state as well as national. Proposed 3 new families, and of that they have. And another very interesting means, see, totally new names, new species, new varieties, all I proposed 1011. So probably it will be, I will be the first in the world. So in that, so we were badly in need of names. How the names are proposed and all according to declaration of one should know land. So till 2012, that unless otherwise a new taxon is published, so it should be supplemented with Latin. Otherwise it used to be nominally invalid. So by knowing that one, so we can start with that declension. So genus will be a noun and species will be an adjective. So adjective should work according to noun. That noun should work according to ICT. Then another interesting thing of my result is I have brought all our names. That gods and goddesses names in science. Everybody should pronounce. Whether he is Indian or American or any part of this world who is working on taxonomy of fungal taxonomy, I have brought. That is Phaswamyces. So first, soon after proposing my teacher's name, that is Pratap Raj Balwantrao Chauhan, who taught me. Till then, till going to him, I was totally avoiding his fungus. So who wants this Pachynia, Euromyces, TUS good, ACES good? Who wants all these things? So better we need only marks to pass. So I was avoiding, but the destiny dragged me to fungus. Where was it? He was a student of Professor M.N. Kamath. And he was a student of like that hierarchy goes like that. So I got all our gods then. Everybody should say. So only Basava, only we should not say. Entire world should say like that. Basava Myces. Then Bhima Myces. So one should understand, what is Bhima then? See, while naming our names, its genity should be known. Bhima, see, Bhima Myces, genity of that one is Bhima. Basava Myces, genity of that one is Basava. Then they have to go on tracing to join this. Any new species are to be proposed after, under the genus Basava Myces. That genity of this one should be known. So for that, ultimately they will go to Basaveshwara. So whether he is American or any person like that. So this venture I made. Then Brahma Myces, Ganga Myces, Ishvara Myces, Krishna Myces, Mahantesha Myces, where I learned Ilkal Swim College. Then Maheshwara Myces, Shiva Myces, and probably if I would have continued, some more things would have been continued.